Hi, this is Dominic from Dominic Extreme, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my Angry Birds Connect collection. First of all, we cannot forget the slingshot. Here it is, it's nice and neat. Sorry if you hear the background and the noises because I'm watching SpongeBob the movie. And yeah, so let's get onto this sound. I'll try and ignore it. So, you can see it right there. Now I got Redbird. Lightning Bird for my collection. Ice Bird. White Bird. Pig. And yeah. We also get right here for the little instruction booklet. So let's look at them. Oops.
Okay, fellas, this is where you get off. Bikini bottoms, directly below.
That's that. Now I'm gonna set up the set. I've also got this. Now, let's set it on. And I've also got an egg. That's for my whole collection. Now let's build the structure. It is. Now I'll put them in order. Redbird is on. Oh, and on the back of the bird, there's a hole to put it on the slingshot. Slingshot. Right there. Ah, man, that was tickling me in my shirt. So first, Redbird's on the slingshot, then Whitebird is behind. Whitebird next, then the Lightning Bird. You just click these two together like that. So that's that. Now I'm gonna end the video right here, and tomorrow we're gonna do some more toy destruction. Bye!